start Google Analytics for free, which is creating a Google account first. Now, if you already have an account, you can just log in. So I will do that now. So in this store, this Google Analytics is for one of my businesses called Gorilla Geek Company. And here we're going to look at what you actually need to be able to set up a Google account. What you need so that you can sync up your Google Analytics with your website. So you're going to go to this admin right here, and then you're going to click on Create New Account. So you're going to give this account a name. And so this is a website. And then we're going to give it a name. Name the website. Type in your URL. Select a category. Put in your time zone. And then put in what type of data sharing options you want. And then click Get Tracking ID. Now, I've already done this, so let's go back here. Alright. Once you create your account, you're going to come over here to this property side. You're going to come to Tracking Info. Alright. You're going to get the tracking code. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways to do this. Some platforms will require this entire script, and some will require just your user ID, which in this case, here's my user ID. Alright, now there are other places where you actually have to take this entire code and you have to paste it into the head tag. Alright, so what's a head tag? Let me show you. I actually prefer Firefox to do stuff like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the code for this page. Alright, and if you've never looked at this before, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but you don't have to worry about it. Alright, so this is all of the code that goes on behind the page. Okay, everything here breaks down into 3 sections: HTML, head, and body. Out of that, that's everything. Everything inside the body is what you see on the website. Everything in the head is where all of the data goes in for your page to work the way you want it. So for example, here these are meta tags, which are normally used for SEO. Lots of meta tags. Here are some scripts. All of these are all scripts. They're individual jobs, and you see that they're flagged with an event here, so they're event-based scripts. If we go further down, style, that is the way something looks. Alright, so here, all of this code here goes together to make sure that your website works the way it's supposed to work. Alright, so if this was in a regular text editor, we would just come in here, we would take this code, copy it, and just come in here and paste it, and then save it, and we're done. Okay, so if you're using HTML websites, this is really easy to do. Obviously, we just went over how to do it in Shopify. You just plug in the code there.